You already know what time it is, gang. We back in this bitch with the blood cleared saga, the war. We're there with the war, man. The war is escalating. The war has been getting really intense. And we're there, feet we cover every moment, like we like that shit. You don't know in a wartime, dancehall or hip hop, reggae country, we no matter, we there. You see me and saying we're there today. You see what we're doing? We're back with the boy Drizzy. You feel me? We back with the boy Drizzy Drake. You see me, the one named Family Matters. You see me, this is Kendrick Lamar. This, you dropped this what? You dropped this like what? Like a day or two ago now? Probably been a day or two now. You see me? I saw it when it just dropped, never got around to reacting. Just want to make sure these niggas were serious about the war. You see me? But it's not them serious about the war because tracks has been dropping, so they are react to it. You see me? I said, one of them Drake, Family Matters, I check it out on Sway Dog. I playing in the man went pretty crazy on Kendrick in this one. You see me? But I check it out on Sway Dog. Hopefully it's lit. You see me? But we're going to see what the boy Drizzy Drake doing. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button, man. Make sure y'all drop in the comments so we can chop it up on top about the war. What do you think about the war so far? Huh? How do you think about it compared to dancehall and hip? How do you think about it? What was the best clash this year? TJ versus Byron Messiah. TJ versus Valiant. Jada Kingdom versus Steph. I don't know, what's the best clash this year, man? Let's get it, Well, this is Drake. Family Matters. Let's check it out.
Maybe in this song, you shouldn't start by saying,
Nigga, I said it, I know that you mad. I've emptied the clip over friendlier jabs. You mentioned my seed, and I deal with his dad. I gotta go bad, I gotta go bad.
Wait. I like that shit. I like the intro. I like that intro because Kendrick said you can't say nigga no more. You see me? And then intro, maybe some songs you should not say nigga. I said it, I know that you mad. Man, I say, yo, I've emptied the clip over friendlier jabs, nigga. So don't play with me, man. Yeah, don't play with me, nigga. Empty the clip on some friendly shit, nigga. So you have me enemy where you think me good, man. Drop a bomb in your bum buck like that.
Maybe in this song, you shouldn't start by saying,
Nigga, I said it, I know that you mad. I've emptied the clip over friendlier jabs. You mentioned my seed, and I deal with his dad. I gotta go bad, I gotta go bad.
Man, say you mentioned my seed. Now deal with his dad, nigga. What's wrong with you? You mentioned my son, nigga, and I have to deal with the father, brother. Oh, I'm to your dog. You mentioned baby bear, papa bear, there have to tear up your face, you. Come here. Don't play with me, you.
Yeah, drop a 50 bag for the mob in a spot. Drop a 50 bag, 29 for the thought. I would really trying to.
Hey, I don't give a fuck what people say. People talk about bring back real rap, bring back real rap. Nigga, fuck that shit, nigga. I want my shit with some vibes, nigga. I want my diss to be vibesy. You see me? More niggas can vibe to me this or next year. You see me? I say, yeah, more niggas walking them club me this to them a play. You see me? Brother. Yeah, in my opinion, when niggas are clash, bro, me don't want to hear nobody speaking. Orange and orange. Me don't want to hear none of that, bro. Me don't want to hear that corny ass shit, nigga. Yeah, more hear lyrics and thing. But I think if you have a vibe to, I want to know vibe. I want to know, man. You know, I play. See, after this, a clash, I don't mean nobody playing Euphoria again. I'm telling you that shit. Who gonna vibe to Euphoria, nigga? Who gonna vibe to the other shit, the 660? Nobody gonna vibe to that shit, nigga. Oh, my diss after they done, nigga still bumping that shit. You know what I'm saying? That me call out wicked this song. You see me? When Clash done, people I play that. You see me? Yeah. She gotta have a little bounce
keep
to
it. PG. I was really trying to keep it PG. If you had a set, they give your ass a DP. You civilian gang in real life, you PC. You know who really.
What's a real civilian? Real civilian in real life, nigga. You PC, nigga. Stop acting like you in a gang, nigga. Stop acting like you clicked up. Stop acting like you locked in, buddy. Yeah, none of that, my G. Come on.
My nigga YG.
Act like you tied in, bro.
Bang set my nigga Chuck T.
Yeah.
You know who even bang a set out there? CB. And nigga.
I don't play with Chris Brown. Chris Brown really be banging this stuff. I don't even know that boy really gangster.
Cole losing sleep on this, it ain't me. You better have some.
Cole called a stray, bitch. Hey, Cole. That's one of my favorite rapper, dog. You deserve that blood clean straight, nigga. You deserve that. Cole, I think. What kind of apologizing shit you want? Now, I kind of see why you did this. These niggas calling each other woman beat and deadbeat father and pedophile and sex trafficker. So, me understand why I stay out of this code, because this is nasty work these niggas doing. You see me? I say, I don't know why these niggas going this far as calling each other. You know, that's some dangerous shit. That's too black, man. Calling each other on record and shit like that. Even if I lie on that tell, some dangerous shit y'all doing. So I understand why J. Cole was like, nah, I'm out of this shit. Cause imagine, J. Cole, I've been such a like, he's been like mentally, physically, spiritually under like, what I would say, he's more of a wholesome, conscious, good person, like you would say in a dancer, in a hip hop, right? No, I ain't gonna lie. If I was to hear all this shit Kendrick is saying about Drake, about Cole, nigga, that'd be crazy as fuck. Yeah, that shit would make you have to rethink life, dog. As in if he was calling J. Cole a freaking pedophile, sex trafficker, and all this shit, that would have been crazy, nigga. That would have fuck up everybody brain cell. Everybody brain cell with that cheap out, brother. No joke, cause that'd be crazy to hear that about J. Cole. So I think that's why J. Cole's on that, nigga. No, this is this good nigga, conscious nigga, wholesome nigga. I can't let you go nasty at my reputation with these allegations. So I think Cole heard that shit and see what Kendrick was coming out like, nah, fuck that nigga. I build my brand around being a good person, you know, talking life to the youths. You see me? This nigga can destroy my shit. Yeah, it would look crazy. So, you know what I'm saying? And then even if he never go at Cole, and Cole was still in the war, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Cole, y'all co-sign a nigga like Drake, which is known for the, you know what I'm saying? Cole had to back out this shit, but this is nasty work right here, nigga. You get what I'm trying to say? Nasty work Kendrick is doing right here, bro. This is some fucked up shit.
Let's get it. You know who even bang a set out there is CB. And nigga Cole losing sleep on this. It ain't me. You better have some paperwork or that shit fake T. Can't be rapping by no ratting that we can't read.
I said better have some paperwork on that shit, nigga, cause that ain't T, nigga. Can't be rapping about no ratting that we can't read, nigga. Ain't no paperwork on my name, nigga. You just chatting, buddy. You just chatting shit.
Yeah, and it's true, a nigga slimy for my AP. Just like how Metro nigga slimy for his main squeeze. Out here begging for attention, nigga, say please.
I say, yo, yeah, nigga slam me on my MP, nigga. Just like I slammed you. Metro, I slammed you out your main bitch, nigga. Fuck on with you, nigga. Hey.
Always rapping like you about to get the slaves freed. You just acting like an activist. It's make believe. Don't even go back to your hood and plant on money tree.
This nigga towed the fucking truck off a good kid, Mad City. I just realized that shit, nigga. This nigga told this nigga family van. Drake, you a menace. This nigga told this nigga family van, bro. And he look at him carry guy jump carry out crush it. Drake, you a petty ass nigga, boy. You a petty ass nigga, bro.
Say you hate the girls I fuck, but what you really mean? I've been with black and white and everything that's in between. You the black messiah, wifing up a mixed queen.
That's facts, nigga. That's facts. Man, I like how people are over jump these lines, bro. You see me? Kendrick, you said you eat the type of woman them when me deal with nigga. But I've been with black and white and everything in between. So if you hate the woman them when me deal, that means yeah, white woman here, black woman here, Chinese woman here, Indian woman here. That's what the dog said. You see me? You was a black messiah. You see me? You rapping like you about to, you man say, yo, you rapping like you about to get a safe speed, bro. You's a black activist, nigga. That's shit make believe, bro. You the black messiah, wifing up a mixed queen, nigga. If you all pro-black, nigga, you feel me? If you all pro-black and black this and black everything, why you got a mix woman, bro? Why you ain't get a black woman just as black as your ass, nigga? Come on, let's talk about it.
And hit vanilla cream to help out with your self-esteem.
Yeah, because what? Yeah, mix one, you know, enough for all the niggas. I got low self-esteem. I feel like say, yo, if I hit a bitch or mix, you see me or this or that, I look close to right, that good enough, feel good. Let's talk about it.
On some Bobby shit, I wanna know what Whitney need. All that puppy love was over in y'all late teens. Why you never hold your son and tell him say cheese? We could've.
That's a fact too, bro. That's a fact right there. All right, everybody had this Drake. I say, yo, oh, y'all hide their youth, bro. We never seen Kendrick youth once, nigga. Let's talk about that shit. Let's talk about that shit, nigga. What are you? Are you hiding your kid from the world or hiding the world from your kid, Kendrick? Let's talk about that, cause y'all being biased because Drake is a light-skinned nigga and he's half white, bro. Y'all being biased as hell. Cause y'all's overlooking all that shit about Kendrick. Y'all need to stop that shit, bro. That's true. You know, feel me? Cause Drake had a youth, you know, and he claims that I him, y'all gave this nigga hell. But y'all see this nigga with his youth now regular. Niggas put him youth on album. Having youth at, you see me, I say photo shoots and all this shit. But you never see Kendrick shit. Never seen Kendrick wife either. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, bro. You can't use one.
Don't blame me. You a dog and you know it. You just play sweet. Your baby mama captions always screaming, save me. You did it dirty.
Your baby mama caption always screaming, save me.
Nigga. All your life you tryna make peace. I heard that one of them little kids might be day free.
Oh, I like it. I like the fact that this shit got the.
Don't make it day freeze. Cause if your GM is your BM secret BD, then it's.
God, man say if your GM is a BM secret BD, the general manager is a baby mother secret baby daddy nigga, then this all makes plenty fucking sense to me.
This all making plenty fucking sense to me. Hey, let that shorty breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for free.
Bro, I think, hey, this nigga just told your bitch hands on your knees, bitch. I don't think y'all listening to Drake shit. Y'all not appreciating Drake shit, bro. Real shit. No, no one y'all let this. I'm be real right now. I don't give a fuck. Win, lose, or draw. I think all that spitting fuckery Kendrick been doing is corny as shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nigga ain't gonna be playing that shit afterwards, bro. I like my disc gotta have a little vibe. This man let's look at your bitch and say, shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knee. Shake that ass for Drake. And shake that ass for free. Drake fucked your bitch, bro. Drake fucked your bitch, nigga. That his homie fucked your bitch, nigga. Come on, now. Now, this is. Come on, bro.
Yeah. We're not that kind of free. I'm talking about my nigga Dave. Yo, man, a Lil K. We call that shit a mini Drake. He always said I overlooked him. I was staring straight. These bars go over Kenny head no matter what I say.
You guys, I mean, overlook him and all. I was just staying straight, bro. You just not on my level, on my height. Yeah, see me, I say. Damn, that's crazy.
Know you like to keep it short, so let me paraphrase. Knew it was smoke when Abel hit us with the serenade. Niggas say, almost started reaching for my waist. Drop a 50 bag for the mob in the spot.
I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Drake went crazy on this nigga, bro. Come on.
Drop a 50 bag, 29 for the thought. I was really trying to keep it.
Wait. There's another breakdown. Wait.
Yeah. You stop playing around and take this shit seriously.
And I believe this is the first video of the whole clash. So W Drake, bro. W Drake. That's my first video of the whole clash. And it's going on.
Niggas is a joke, I take it serious though. Yeah.
This is a joke, I take it seriously.
Look. If Drake shooters doing TikToks, nigga really shooting in your gang, that's peace, brother. Y'all ain't getting shit shot, nigga can't listen to the stick talking fast.
Holy shit. If all of my shooters in the gang doing TikTok, really shooter in your gang, that's peace, brother. Y'all ain't getting shit shot. Oh! Come on.
Yeah. Look. If Drake shooters doing TikToks, nigga really shooting in your gang, that's peace, brother. Y'all ain't getting shit shot, nigga can't listen to the stick talking falsetto, saving for a hip hop, nigga. You don't even be at home, dog. You a souvenir out the gift shop, nigga.
Oh, God. Might say you even a home dog, bro. You feel me? You a souvenir out the gift shop, buddy. Hold on.
Settle saving for a hip hop nigga.
You don't even be at home, dog. You a souvenir and gift shop, nigga. I might say you don't even be at home, bro, dog. You a souvenir in the gift shop, brother. You's a tourist when you visit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dog. You know you're not home. You don't live where you say you came from. You see, man? That's it. Come on.
Don't even be at home, dog. You a souvenir out the gift shop, nigga. Still mad about that one hoe. We ain't even fuck. I just lip lock with her. I get active when it's wartime. I ain't even really let my dick drop, nigga. What the fuck? I
get active when it's wartime. I ain't even let my dick drop yet. You mad cause that one hoe, bro? I ain't even fuck that bitch, bro. We just lip lock. You hear me? Alright.
Rick drop, nigga. Talking something about a nose job, nigga. Ozempic got a side effect of jealousy and doubt. I never told y'all niggas.
Everyone say just here Rick job. Weird. I just heard Rick drop talking about a nose job nigga. They ain't tell you Ozempic got a side effect of jealousy. Oh, he said Rick Ross diabetic. Cause I believe Ozempic is diabetic medication, bro. So now I say Rick Ross, you on the Ozempic, my nigga, and the side effect is jealousy. That's why you on. How are they bum? Oh, they got 2 Ozempics. There's one for type 2 diabetes and they have one for weight loss. Y'all niggas ain't know Ozempic got a side effect of jealousy, bro. Y'all gotta what medication y'all take. Y'all let's go.
You're talking something about a nose job, nigga. Ozempic got a side effect of jealousy and doubt. I never told y'all niggas. Put a nigga in the bars, let a nigga rock. Kinda like your old job, nigga. House sitting on some.
Put that niggas in bars, let a nigga rock. Oh, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Once put niggas in bars, let a nigga rock like your old job, nigga. Man, he's talking about the fact that Rick Ross used to be a police officer, a correctional officer. And it's like, yo, I'm gonna put you in these bars, nigga, and let you rock like your old job. You used to put niggas in jail. Shit.
Land, but it's out with no one even really know y'all niggas. Bitches gotta drive 2 hours for you pay them just to give a blowjob, nigga. Must've started up a snowball, cause my last record deal was 400 ends. These days, that's a low ball, nigga.
So you out in the hills, boy. You out where nobody know y'all niggas, man. You know what I mean? Bro, I must have snorted cocaine, nigga. Come on, last deal did 400 M. And these days, that's a low ball for me, nigga. What you talking about?
Hey, who's next on the list? Which one of my so-called niggas? Which one of my so-called niggas? Which one of my so-called niggas need a shot from the clip? Always knew I had to smoke y'all niggas.
What I mean, man? How I fake friend there? Push up. I want to push up. And bust out to the top youth. Hey! This, me like the warrior, you know. This I get me feel like dancehall, brother. Real talk. Drake going in, bro. I don't give a bro. Family Matters. I like this. This is spitting with style. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Just need a shell from the clip. Always knew I had to smoke y'all niggas. Good kid, Mad City van. We'll pot the latch and make the door slide. Tears running down my cheek, laughing at you pussy dying. It's a war cry.
Weird. He said, good kids, Mad City van. I'll pop the door and let the door slide? This nigga say I'm gonna do a drive-by using the good cat. Wait. Yeah? Huh? Are you saying, man, say I'm gonna do a drive-by with the good kid, man, with the one van, man, I go kill her? That man, go slide on you in your own van, Kendrick? Hold on.
Always knew I had to smoke y'all niggas. Good kid, Mad City van. We'll pot the latch and make the door slide. Tears running down my cheek, laughing at you pussy dying. It's a war cry.
Oh, this nigga finna slide on you with the minivan, bro. This nigga finna slide on y'all with the minivan, bro. What are you saying? We can't just get okay.
Music getting played in all the spots where boys got a little more pride. That's why all your friends dip into Atlanta paying just to find a tour guide.
He said, wait. Weekend songs playing where the boys got a little bit more pride. That's why a nigga sliding to. I say I be a fish listen to Weekend, bro. That's what I say. Weekend songs plays where the boys have a little bit more pride. Get it? Pride. Da-da-da-da. I be a Batman listen. I be a Batman Club Weekend song play. That's what Drake's saying. Everybody getting some. Y'all gotta listen with y'all ear. Y'all gotta listen, bro. Y'all gotta listen. Yo.
Running down my cheek, laughing at you pussy dying. It's a war cry. Weekend music getting played in all the spots where boys got a little more pride. That's why all your friends dip into Atlanta paying just to find a tour guide.
That's why y'all niggas different to Atlanta paying to get a tour. Cause I be a fish there Atlanta. Damn, this nigga get it. Everybody get a shot, bro. Come on.
Your fucking bread, need to buy some more chains for some more guys. Let me find another street nigga I could take to the game court side. Let me get a used Ferrari for a rapper, take the nigga on a horse ride. Anything to take a spotlight off the fact the boss is a drugged out little punk sissy from the north side.
Yeah. Anything to hide the fact that the boss is like a punk sissy. From the north. Oh shit. Oh man, say anything. Oh man. Damn. Let's say this one. Man say, hey, but run your fucking bread. Need to buy some more chains from some more guys. Oh man. You going at Weekend. Weekend is able.
chains for some more guys. Let me find another street nigga I could take to the game courtside. Let me get a used Ferrari for a rapper, take the nigga on a horse ride. Anything to take a spotlight off the fact the boss is a drug down. Little punk sissy from the north side.
Come on, nigga. Man say man do all of this for I do who the fuck him really is. That's why I keep buying chains to niggas. Keep buying Ferraris to niggas. You know what I'm saying? Keep taking so-called gangster niggas to courtside games. You know what I'm saying? Man, I buy friendship.
Rock him talking shit again. Gas cause you hit my BM first, nigga. Do the math who I was hitting in.
Wait, Rock him talking shit again. Gas cause you hit my BM first. You gas cause you hit my baby mama first, nigga?
Cause you hit my BM first, nigga. Do the math who I was hitting in. I ain't even know you rap still, cause they only talking about your fit again. Probably gotta have a kid again, for you think of dropping any shit again. Even when you do drop, they gon' say you should've modeled, cause it's mid again. Smoking.
Even when you do drop, they gon' say you should've modeled, cause it's mid again. Smoking Fenty. But they should've put you on the first one, you try to get it in.
Fenty, but they should've put you on the first one, trying to get it in. Ask Spring if this a good idea, the next time you cut it in a bed again. She'll even tell you leave the boy alone, before you get your.
Whoa. Ass Spring.
Smoking Fenty, but they should've put you on the first one, trying to get it in.
Ask Spring if this a good idea next time you cuddle in the bed again. Oh my God.
Ask Spring if this a good idea, the next time you cut it in a bed again. She'll even tell you leave the boy alone, before you get your head split again. Pluto shit made me sick to my stomach, we ain't never really been through it. Lil Wayne, he a fucking lame, so I know he had to be an influence. These niggas.
He said, Lil Wayne. Wait. Leland Wayne, he a fucking lame, so I know he had to be an influence. Oh.
An influence. These niggas had a plan and they finally found a way to rope you into it. 2 separate albums dissing, I just did a Kim to it. Nigga skimmed through it. Me and Savage had the hose dripping wet at shows, almost had to swim to it. K-Dot shit is only hitting hard when Baby King put his pen to it.
Ooh, come on now. Kendrick got Ghost Riders too now. Come on, y'all gotta level this shit out.
Calling me the white boy and the shit kinda got a ring to it. Cause all these rappers waving white flags while the whole fucking club sing to it. Murder scene on your man tonight, then come to vigil with the candlelight. Body at the fucking body and you know Rick reading my Miranda rights.
Woo! God damn! This thing is so crazy. Come on.
I hope next time y'all plan it right. Cause you gotta pay for saying my name. Guess now niggas understand the price.
Andy Man got a video with it. Y'all stop playing with the boy.
Hey, Kendrick just opened his mouth. Someone go hand him a Grammy right now. Where's your uncle at? Cause I wanna talk to the man of the house. West Coast niggas do phase, right? Come get this ass whooping, I'm handing them out. You wanna take up for real? Then come get his legacy out of my house. A cease and desist is for hoes. Can't listen to lies that come out of your mouth. You caught a 2-pack of steak and beg them to sue me and get that shit down.
I'm losing perspective on beef. Ooh, come on.
Losing perspective on beef. Boy went to send beat and I kill you for fun. Your daddy got robbed by Top. You stunning and Wayne like father like son. Anthony set up the plays. Kojo be charging you double for none. They shook about what I'ma say, but texting your phone like we already won.
You tell me what
Tell me what I shouldn't say. But fucking my nigga, it's already done. We already know it's a 20v1. We already know why you went #1. It's clearly because of the boy.
You tell me what I shouldn't say. This nigga say, yo, call me and tell me what I shouldn't say. And all these things.
The honorable thing is to give me the loot. You right about fuck the big 3. It's only Big D in this video proof. My son should go play at the park. 2 light-skinned kids, the shit would be cute. Unless you don't wanna be seen with anyone that isn't blacker than you. We get it.
Damn. Our son should go play at the park. 2 light-skinned kids, that shit would be cute. Unless you don't wanna be seen with anyone that's not blacker than you. This nigga said, bro, you dissing me. Your son is the same shit as me, bro. The man said, you dissing me because I'm half black or white. Your son is the same shit I am. Kendrick, what y'all do? Man, I said, your son is half black or white, just like I am, nigga, and you dissing me. We tired of the same son. The man, I said, yo, dog, our son should go play at the park, nigga. 2 light-skinned kids. That shit will be cute. Unless, you don't want to be seen with anyone that isn't blacker than you, bro. Which is why you hide your wife, which is why you hide your son, which is why you're districts. Oh yeah, I'm missing this shit, bro. I don't feel like when I review the music them properly, you know that. Big one thing. Yeah, man.
Got it. The black and
So Kendrick, we figure out you share my your son and you share my your wife, brother.
the berry, the sweet of the juice. We get that you like the
You're better than Trey, bro. Man, I pull a card for real, but people
gin in your juice. We get that you think.
people want to hear all that boom boom bop shit. That people want to hear that fuckery, bro. Now I want to hear that, bro. Your song got you have to have lyrics. You feel me? You have to have gimmicks. You have to have style. You see me and say flow. Yeah, bro. Come on, bro. The overall package. You see me and say.
Think that you bishop and juice when you put your hands on your girl. Is it self-defense because she bigger than you?
Come on, how is people overlooking this shit? Like, I don't understand. These are heavy bars, this nigga. Well, most black people are stupid as fuck, so they ain't gonna get certain shit. Most of y'all gonna get a. If it ain't going, oh fuck, nigga, y'all not gonna get this shit, bro. This man is really breaking down Kendrick, and y'all not here. But you call the man a flow and a sing, bro. Come on, man. Come on. Listen, let me take it from Yassa. I wanna take it from here. Man, breaking down this man, bro, and y'all not even hearing this shit. Come on.
Hey, Kendrick just opened his mouth. Someone gon' hand him a Grammy right now. Where's your uncle at? Cause I wanna talk to the man of the house.
Come on, bro. Come on, man, breaking man. You not the man of the house, bro. Your uncle is the man of the house, nigga. You just the kid that got some money. You see me? They never really fuck with you like that. You see me?
West Coast niggas do phase, right? Come get this ass whooping, I'm handing them out.
So West Coast nigga do phase, right? Come get this. Go get this fade, bro. I'm having them more, bro. We can get the one-on-one. You want to take over for Pharrell?
You want to take over for real?
Get this legacy out of my house.
Come get this legacy out of my house. A cease and desist is for hoes.
A cease and desist for hoes. Man say I ain't do no cease and desist. You sent a cease and desist. Come on, bro. This man, come on. Come on, bro. He's breaking down Kelly.
Can't listen to lies that come out of your mouth. You caught a Tupac estate and beg them to sue me and get that shit down.
You see me? Cause Draco's killing your ass with that shit. This nigga had Tupac and Snoop Dogg talk to your ass. And you call Let's Stay for the man to take it on. Come on, bro. That's L on Kendrick part. You see me?
Losing perspective on beef. Boy, when the same beat and I kill you for fun.
Once I'm losing this perspective on beef. Boy, when the same kill you for fun. You see me?
Your daddy got robbed by top. You stunning and Wayne like father like son. Anthony set up the play.
You stunning and Wayne like father like son. You see me? Anthony, how is it?
Kojo be charging you double for none. They shook about.
And Anthony set up the players, but Kobe charge you double for none. Damn, boy, them shook by what me I gotta say.
What I'ma say? But texting your phone like we already won. You tell me what I shouldn't say.
You see me? You are telling me, no, Kendrick telling Drake what he shouldn't say. Like, this is awful me, that's lovely. But man, I said, fuck it, my nigga. It's already done.
It's already done. We already know it's a 20 we won. We already know why you went number one. It's clearly because of the boy. The honorable thing is to give me the loot. You right about fuck the big three. It's only Big D in this video proof. Our son should go play at the park. Two light-skinned kids.
Oh, wait, Drake, that was gay as fuck. I said, there's no Big D, there's only Big D, and there's videos for proof. Nigga, nobody looked at. I never saw that Drake video, nigga. I don't go for it. Yeah, nigga, nigga, you mention your butt. Move your bum.
Our son should go.
If you watch that Drake video, you're batty, man. Until that day, I never looked at that shit, nigga. You're a fish.
Play at the park. Two light-skinned kids, this shit will be cute. Unless you don't want to be seen with anyone that isn't blacker than you. We get it, we got it. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. We get that you like to put gin in your juice. We get that you think that you bishop and juice. When you put your hands on your girl, is it self-defense cause she bigger than you?
So when you put your hand on your girl, nigga, is it self-defense because she bigger than you? You pip squeak.
Your back is up against the curb. You digging for dirt, she be digging for proof. Why did you move to New York? Is it cause you live in that bachelor life? Proposed in 2015, but don't wanna make her your actual wife. I'm guessing this wedding ain't happening right, cause we know the girls that you actually like. The darkest secrets are coming to light. It's all on your face like what happened to Mike. Oh shit, it's all making sense. Maybe I'm Prince and you actually
Mike. That's crazy. Cause Mike was praying his features would change so people believe that he's actually white.
Michael was praying his features would change so people believe that he's actually white. Top will make you do features for change. Get on pop records and rap for the whites. And wait, you say your brother Jermaine, but you only him to stay out of the light. Oh shit.
Crazy, bro. Man said, I guess I maybe actually Prince and you might be Mike. Because Mike was praying that his features would change so people would believe that he's actually white. Clad, and man said, your dog there will book you for change. So you can go perform for the Drake is making this thing. Come on.
Just follow me right, cause nothing you say ain't gonna bother me right. I get off the plane and nothing has changed. I headed to Lala with all of my ice. Headed to Lala with all of my ice. Headed to Lala with all of my ice. This shit gotta be over by now for anyone out here that's calling it right. You did. You did. You did. There's nowhere to hide, there's nowhere to hide, you know what I mean.
Drake going hard, bro. And this man killing this man with style. Bro, y'all stupid as hell, boy. Man killing this man with style, bro. Calm and collected. Smooth and deadly. Shit.
They hired a crisis management team to clean up the fact that you beat on your queen. The picture you painted ain't what it seemed. You did.
Damn. I don't imagine me because this team clean up the fact that you beat on the queen. Holy shit! No. That is flames, bro. That is flames. I don't think people really sit down and appreciate this shit. Yeah, I don't think y'all really sit down and appreciate what Drake did. Drake murdered that nigga, bro. You know what I mean? Drake murdered. This nigga ashamed of his son. You see me? This nigga talk all that black shit, but he ain't living all that black shit. You got a mixed queen, light-skinned son. You basically got a Drake, a mini Drake, and you trying to diss Drake. You see me? I say, yeah, beat your wife. Niggas like start, yo. I don't know what y'all on, dog. Drake is doing his thing, bro. You feel me? My doing thing, that style, my vibes. His shit's gonna be able to play after the clash done. You see me? And his vibes and style, bro. Ain't no way. U4 ain't getting played after, I'll say 2 weeks. U4 ain't getting played. 616 in LA. You see me? I say, but yeah. We play Valley and Drake song. Them Drake is tailor-made. Come on, man. That's a diss right there. Like, come on, y'all niggas don't get it. The diss, I can't just first time listen to the diss bad. Every time I listen after that, this must bad. Give me a little vibe, more and play it. You see me? I say, Drake doing this thing, bro. Kendrick doing this thing too, though. You see me? We don't know the war over, so we don't know who win yet. You see me? You know, but we there watching our Guan. But hey, so far both artists doing their thing, they're doing pretty well. Like what Guan, hope them keep it up. You see me? Yeah. But me your phone thoughts, phone comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up, let's talk about we think winning, we think dropping the hardest these songs. Do you just want to hear like spitting or you don't want to actually hear creativity with this then, bro? You see me? Let me know in the comments. Let's chop it up again. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, we love the war over here, so we love the vibe, we love everything we are going. You don't know. Till next time, gang. The boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.